Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to use easy transparent text effect in Canva, easy Canva tutorial. So for this one, we're going to use a font in here to add in a transparent text effect onto our photo in here or our text. So what we need to do first is to go ahead and add in a background in here that we're going to use for transparency. So for example, this galaxy design, let's go ahead and click onto that and then let's make this one bigger to fit the screen. Then right after, the next thing that we need to do is to head here onto the left side corner and click onto text. Click on to add a heading in here and then we're going to type in anything that we want to add for our text. So for this one, for this example, we're just going to try to use text in here, make this one bigger, and right after, let's go ahead and try to change the font for this. So let's try to position this one first in the middle. And to change the font, you could see that one here onto the upper part. Just simply click onto that and here onto the search bar, just type in 210. So you should be able to find in a lot of results in here. Let's just try to scroll down until you find in this specific font, the 210 block box. So if you click onto that, as you can see, it created a transparent effect. So let's try to adjust that one. Make this one onto the center again, and then make this bigger to fit the screen. And as you can see, the text that we have in here has a transparent effect already. And that is just basically how to use the easy transparent text effect in Canva. If you think this has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.